Magluluto tayo ng Spanish spaghetti. So, sinusute. I just saute the onions. And I have here black pepper and the ground beef. And later on, we will put tomato sauce. I have here a lot of tomato sauce, but we'll make it half. Let's just put here. Then the half, I will use it. Then later, I will put in the fridge so I can consume next time. You will smell the savor of the onion if you will saute it properly, but if not, still the raw onion, you will smell it. And now it's really cooked. We have to put the ground beef. It's very simple and it's very easy. So I just put the ground beef. We'll just mix up here with the onions. It's already cooked, the meat. Then we have to put the tomato sauce here. Let's put all. And this one we have to put water so it will wash the tomato sauce so it will not be wasted, okay? So then you have to put the salt, but I'm putting this kikuman soy sauce, okay, and a little bit of sugar, and that's it. I'm using also this curcuma or turmeric powder, so it's only a little bit because turmeric is very strong. You don't like the taste on it, so just a little bit. So at least you have the benefits of turmeric. Let's cover and let's put the fire in low, fire medium. It's number 4. We will cook this one until the sauce dried up, a little bit dried up. So, ito na ang ating spaghetti. Ibuhos natin yung ating ginawang lahat na at baon yan ng aking amo.